Jim Burrow, the owner of the house that we're in at the moment with my wife, and by way of background, I'm a facilities manager looking after the buildings and grounds of tertiary institutions. The house that we're in is a two-storey house. We're actually on the upper level at the moment, and we're sitting here now on any day over about 34 degrees or so. It would be impossible to work upstairs here pretty well from lunchtime onward and well into the evening, and the bedrooms were pretty snug, depending on to what degree that the day had cooled down. So it's a flat roof, metal deck flat roof, just straight onto the ceiling, and as I said, it was pretty difficult to even consider working here or spending any time here. You could walk up the stairs and feel a degree in temperature almost every step. The phase change material, we also, in a sense, we did three things. We put the solar panels on the roof, which presumably took a little of the heat load away. We installed insulation in the roof as part of the process, and we put the phase change material in as well. That's the Bio-PCM phase change, which works according to the little brochure very effectively. The upshot of it all is that on a few days we've had, and there have been a couple up around the 39 and 40 odd over this Christmas period, those days it's been quite manageable up here. The temperature's probably retained itself into the upper 20s, and certainly we've been able to work here quite comfortably, whereas in time gone by we couldn't. And of an evening, when we just let the hot air out of the house, and we notice that up here stays mildly warm for a while, which is presumably the phase change working backwards. The end product of it all is that really upstairs here is a very, very even temperature, and that's, Paul had suggested that would be the case very early in the piece, and that's certainly what we've experienced. The days up here just seems an even temperature all the time, would be the best way of describing it. Yeah. I normally walk around in a pair of shorts and a t-shirt or a polo shirt or something like that, and that's fine at virtually all times of day and night.